Thank you for purchasing Smart Driver Updater. This video is going to show you how to register the product and how to download and install driver updates. Before you can start downloading drivers, you need to register Smart Driver Updater. To register, you need to open Smart Driver Updater and click on the I icon in the top right corner. Click on the Register Smart Driver Updater link, which opens the registration dialog. Leave the registration screen open, and in another window, open your email program. Locate the purchase confirmation email and highlight the 12-digit license key. Now press Ctrl+C to copy. Go back to Smart Driver Updater's registration screen and click Ctrl+V to paste the key into this field. Click Activate Now. Your product will be registered. Click OK to close this dialog. Now your program is registered. You will want to return to the home screen and start checking your PC for outdated drivers. Click Scan to return to the home screen. Next, we are going to show you how to check your PC for outdated drivers and how to install driver updates. On the home screen of Smart Driver Updater, click on the Start Scan button. The program will begin checking the devices on your PC against our database of available driver updates. The scan will be based on your operating system and on finding the best driver updates for your devices. The scan usually takes around 60 seconds. When the scan is complete, you will see a list of driver updates available for your PC. Click on any of the drivers to get additional information, such as version number and release dates. Some driver packages may fix multiple device problems. All driver updates are selected by default, but if you wish to change this, click Uncheck All and just select the drivers you want to download. When you click on the Download Selected button, all checked drivers will be downloaded. Click Download Selected Now. The confirmation screen shows you how many drivers you have selected to download. Click OK to continue. The driver's download speed will depend on the size and number of the drivers being downloaded, but download speeds are generally pretty fast. Once the downloads are complete, click on the Install button to install a new driver. Most drivers will be installed directly through Smart Driver Updater. Installation may take up to several minutes, depending on the driver being installed. Most drivers can now be directly installed by Smart Driver Updater. However, some drivers may require user interaction. And if this is the case, Smart Driver Updater will launch the driver update, and you will need to follow the third-party install directions. Once the install is complete, Smart Driver Updater will verify if the driver update is successful. You will know the driver was successfully installed when you see this happy face. Please note that some drivers may require that you restart your PC to complete the installation. If this is the case, you will see this message and will want to restart your PC at a convenient time to complete the driver installation. If for any reason a driver fails to install correctly, you will see a screen with a sad face, and we will try to provide additional information about why the update failed. If a driver is not successfully installed, you will see it marked as pending in your history menu, and will be able to try installing it again at a later date. If you have questions or concerns, you can contact our support department. To find our contact information at any time, click on the I icon in the top right corner. Click on the support link to get additional help from our support department. Or you can use the support link to contact your support team to let us know about any driver issues. We always appreciate user feedback. Clicking on the History tab opens the History menu, which shows you the status of all drivers that you have downloaded. Any driver with the status Downloaded can still be installed. Simply click on the driver and click on the Install button. To remove drivers from the driver history list, simply click on the driver and click on the Delete button. Clicking on the Scan button returns you to the home screen, where you can check how many outdated drivers are still on your system. Clicking on the Start Scan button or the Check for Drivers link will run a new scan for driver updates. Once you have installed all updates, your device will be fully updated. Smart Driver Updater will continue to check for new driver updates for your devices. You can use the Schedule feature on the Settings menu to set automatic scans to run at convenient times so that you never miss a new driver update. This is the end of our video introduction to downloading and installing drivers with Smart Driver Updater. If you have any questions, reach out to our support department. Remember, you can always find their contact information on the About screen.